Hello friends, I'm sure you are aware about Alpaca's path-breaking, commission-free stock trading API. Alpaca created quite an excitement in the trading community by offering this platform. I have created a course where I have delved into the details of Alpaca's API, and I want to help you gain a sound understanding of Alpaca's API architecture and deploy your trading strategies on Alpaca's platform. So let me give you an example of what you can expect from this course. So right now I'm running a code that will scan the market. It will then identify the top movers and accordingly place trades. So let me run this code and show you a demo of what you can expect to build if you enroll into my course. And you can see that we are now streaming data, and in the background there is a lot of calculation happening. We are calculating and scanning which are the top gainers and losers, and accordingly we are placing trades. Let me take you to my Alpaca account and show you how live trading is taking place. And you can see that our algorithm is now placing trades. We have got a long position on Intel, Microsoft, Amazon, and we know that these trades are correct and they have been placed after taking into consideration the top gainers and losers, because you can see that this is the gain that these stocks have registered since the markets opened today. And I had set a threshold for 2%, and it looks like the trade is doing as per expectation. It is picking stocks which have moved more than 2% since the market opened, and it has placed trades on them. But before you enroll into my course, I would want to clarify the course prerequisites. You will need an Alpaca account. Let me clarify that for the purposes of this course, you don't need a funded Alpaca account. You need only a paper trading account. And to open a paper trading account with Alpaca, all you need is a valid email ID. So even if you have Alpaca's paper trading account, you should be fine for this course. The next very important course prerequisite is familiarity with Python basics. Although I go into sufficient detail of every code bit that I present in my lecture videos, basic familiarity with key Python concepts is essential. And when I say key Python concepts, I want you to be familiar with Python data types, for example, int, float, string, boolean, etc. Then you need to know what are Python data structures, for example, list, tuples, dictionary. We use Python dictionaries a lot, so it's very important that your fundamentals of these basic Python data structures is clear. Then I want you to be comfortable implementing loops and functions in Python, and you should also be comfortable in installing Python libraries. In addition, you're also required to have some basic finance and trading related knowledge. For example, what is a long position, what is a short position, what is a stop loss, how to modify orders, how to place orders, and things like that. Although when I'm explaining the strategies, I do cover these basic things, but you are required to have this basic level of finance or trading knowledge. And then I also need you to have some basic high school level mathematical proficiency, because we'll use some basic high school level mathematical and statistical concepts in our strategies, for example, moving average, standard deviation, etc. So it'll be great if you have this knowledge as well. And at the outset, I want to clarify what you should expect from this course. This course is all about Alpaca's API, and I assure you that by the end of this course, you will have a fairly good understanding of how to use Alpaca's API to connect to their platform, to extract data, to perform technical analysis, to do order management, account management, etc. You will also become fairly conversant with how to backtest your strategies on Alpaca's platform. You will learn how to deploy your trading strategies on Alpaca's platform and how to stream tick level data. And you will also get conversant in implementing streaming tick level database strategies. But you should not expect to learn trading strategies from this course. I will cover a few basic trading strategies, but the purpose of this course is not to discuss trading strategies. It's expected that you are already aware of trading strategies and that you're looking to implement those trading strategies on Alpaca's platform, and that's what my course is going to help. So I hope you're clear about what this course is going to cover, what you can expect and what you cannot expect. I'm really excited that you have considered enrolling into my course, and I look forward to see you in the next lecture video. Thanks a lot.